Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655 and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device actually shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. There we go, you should see the boot mode with these three options. So using volume up, you want to cycle through them and select the first one, then press volume down to actually confirm that option. Now you should all from there see this Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and voila, we are now in the recovery mode. Now this mode we are actually capable of using both of the volume keys, unlike the mode before. So volume down goes down, up goes up, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is actually selected, because touch is a no-no here. So as you can see, from here we can reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, which will just go back to where we were before. Apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data, which basically means formatting the entire phone, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. So whatever will be selected, I want to confirm it with power key, like I said, and because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with reboot system now, power, and we should be on our merry way to Android. And there we go, as you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.